Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix there's an issue with this funding source problem in PayPal. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing what we need to do is verify your payment method. So check for expiry restrictions. Ensure your link card or bank account is active, not expired, and authorized for online or international transactions. Make sure you've got sufficient funds. Confirm that your account has enough funds to cover the transaction, and also accurate information. Make sure the billing address and other details match those on file with your bank. Alright, then from here, remove and re-add the funding source. So log into your PayPal account, navigate to wallet, select the problematic card or bank account and click remove. Then click link a bank or card, then re-add the payment method, ensuring all details are correct. Can also try an alternative payment method, so use a different linked card or bank account. Utilize your PayPal balance if available. Consider using a different funding source that supports online transactions. Also, we can check for account limitations, so you can visit the PayPal Resolution Center to see if there are any limitations or holds on your account that needs to be addressed. Now, if you got any VPNs or proxy servers, you want to go ahead and disable them. And try the transaction again, as these can sometimes interfere with the payment processing.